Is your localized application logic apps broken by the Hex Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before we walk through the Hex Library troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the Hex Library, a specialized hexadecimal utility library. This module facilitates the unmanaged conversion of binary data streams into hexadecimal notation for display in low-level editors. It manages memory-to-string offsets and data link manifests used by development tools to inspect raw file headers. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Since Hex Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Localized Application Logic Toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application where you received the error is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Hex library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of Hex Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing Hex library references. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Hex Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.